fuck is going on over there?
No clue.
We're taking tolls or avoiding tolls? Alright, bet.
What'd you say?
It's 59 minutes for you?
We're pulling up to a very secret district road. It's a private road. We have our license. Don't worry about it.
Did you put that shit back in here?
What?
The thing I gave you?
What happened?
Oh, I haven't put it here.
Yeah.
That's copyrighted music, bro. We can't play that.
Why?
That shit's still fire, though. Yeah, Henry wanted to say something.
No, you wanted to say something.
I thought you wanted to say something.
I thought you wanted to say something.
I was just saying, drive a little. We're just gonna cruise there because I want to take rollers too.
Nobody wants to lose their car on.
What?
It's kind of fucked if you get your car stranded out there.
Yeah, because it's far.
I'm gonna have to swing on somebody. That shit gets stranded. Where am I gonna?
In the middle of nowhere. And it's a haunted place.
I'm not afraid of
I
that.
feel you,
I'm not
I feel
afraid
you.
of that.
I mean, I'm not that afraid of it either. I've been here. It's just.
What the?
It's still haunted.
Why is it not charging?
Yeah, it's still haunted.
Yeah.
Road. You don't really want to get stuck out there.
I feel you.
Y'all look like pussy to me. Yeah, I'm ready.
We out. What?
We're here.
Yep, this is the road.
So,
This is La
who's going
Rue.
first?
You said what?
Who's going first?
I'll go.
Alright, I'll follow you.
Good luck, sir.
Have fun.
I'm trying to see something. That's why I'm driving a little slow.
Trying to see something?
I'm trying to see something.
Yeah, nah, of course. We also don't know the road like that either. Yeah. Unless you start to. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, but don't process civilization. Yeah. Let's like this shit. Like these angles. We like to feel like we're there helping you work on the fucking car. Exactly. I watch that. That's it. Unless you're not right here. Yeah. Can I get a touch now? Then I'll see if I'm not going to do it.
Yeah, I'm trying to go steering.
Oh, this one right here, so we'll be done. See if we can put it in. No, it's not good. No, it's like,
Oh.
I think this is our time. So I think that's all right. It's on the left. No, ready. Put it on my keys.
I'm going to be this one.
I'm going to take this one, and then I'll go in the back. So, I'm going to leave this on. Ready? Do you want me to do this side?
Oh, turn it up slowly.
Right? Both ways. So grab here, you're able to right, nice and slowly. And Randy, we can start doing it slowly, trying to pull them.
Oh, button. Okay,
You can start pulling them yeah. Nice and slowly, so we're going to put it
yes, go. Let's keep it easy. Wait. There's the other hose.
where?
No, keep it there. Alright, so there's 4 inch, right?
It is. Here you go. Ready? So, let's go. Start pulling. Yeah, from first. And right, 1, 2, 3. Ready on 8. Let's go. Wait, on the boat. We'll be turning back here. That's all good. Sorry. Boom.
Yeah, because that's something.
Right? Yeah. Push it this way. Right? I'm on right. Yeah, put it this way. Ready? Is the other side of the parts still? That's a little bit.
Yeah, the part's still there. You can get the part.
Exactly. Now we should be right on this. Since I got more, you can start pulling the check out this way. Okay, this way. So you start pulling this way to the second top. And then you just make it one right? Yeah. Okay. Alright, start down. Yeah, we're good. There's something pressing on. Yeah. Stop it. Stop it and start pull out. Maybe pull out while it's rolling. So get pull out now. No, stop it. Start pulling. I'm slowly right. Go. There we go.
Yeah.
There's
There's something connected. Yeah, there's a whole cylinder.
Yeah, bro. Oh shit. Get clutch.
Actually,
Okay, now we're going to look at the pool. Yep, there's a that's the problem with touching. And it's up. So, we'll see what we do. Hold on a second. I mean, shut up. Really? So, gotta push in a little bit. Nice. Yeah, that's all. Ready? Alright. There we go. Wait.
No, you got it.
Lower. Nice. Slowly.
We got shit over here.
What?
That's what I'm going to do. Okay.
Huh? Yeah, everything up and like everything on.
Okay,
Oh, you want to ready? Go up.
okay, now there's still a couple connectors.
That's all I do.
Where's the
Look up all the way. And then eventually all I'm going to do is take off. I mean, no, a little bit.
Yeah.
How many
We have red line in this, bro.
Look, and I'll lower it so I ain't got no gap to slip. But let's turn it up, let's turn it up. Okay, give us some space. So, right. I was gonna set up. You go that way?
Yeah.
I was gonna move the whole.
Oh my god.
Check it.
Okay, just drop the whole in so I can get it. Nah, this
No, what do you forget about it? What do you forget about it? And then the toss in the oil.
Where?
That's what
Where do you reckon?
this one.
Oh, not yet. Yeah.
You're gonna have to lift. I'm gonna lower it a little bit. After, no.
Ready?
Turn this up. I'm
I'm going slowly still. Yeah, no, it's just at the back part, right? On top of this one.
Alright, get ready. I'm gonna move slowly backwards. Okay, how's that? Now for you a little more. Huh? You need a little space or? What we can also do is rest it on the support, and then I just lower it, and it'll tilt it towards.